Hi students, welcome. I am Dr. Majini Jaswalla, Assistant Professor. In this video, we are going to learn about calculation of purchase consideration under net asset method. Before that, I have explained some of the exercise from Reddy and Murthy textbook. In this video also, we are going to learn one more exercise. First, I will read the question. Listen everyone carefully because without understanding of the question, it is very difficult to do the exercises. So listen the question carefully. Arun Limited agreed to take over the asset of Arun Limited worth rupees 35,000 at 10 percentage more than the book value. It also agreed to take over creditors amounted to rupees 3,000. The purchase price was to be discharged as to rupees 5,500 in cash and the balance in rupees 10,000, sorry, rupees 10 equity shares at the market value of rupees 15 per share. Calculate the amount of purchase consideration and show how the same was discharged by Arun Limited. We can move for the calculation of purchase consideration. See here, just to write the heading, calculation of purchase consideration under net asset method. You put two columns, particulars and the amount column. Next, we can move for the question. Here they have mentioned Arun Limited agreed to take over the asset of Arun Limited worth rupees 35,000, 10 percentage more than the book value. Total asset taken over by the Arun Limited how much? 35,000. It was given in the question. So we can write it. The asset value in the amount column 35,000. Next, go back with the question. That value is 10 percentage more than the book value. That means they are taking the assets more than the book value of 10 percentage. That means the asset value is 35,000 but plus 10 percentage. So we can do the calculation 35,000 into 10 by 100. When we are solving it, we will get 3,500. Now the total asset value taken over is 38,500. That means 35,000 plus 3,500. 38,500. This is the value taken over by the company. Then the liabilities. Both assets and liabilities only they are going to take, right? From this total asset value, we will subtract the liabilities. Go back with the question. How much is the liability? See here, the creditors amount only here. So the liability is only the creditors. Creditors amounted to rupees 3,000. So this 3,000 we will subtract from this total asset value. So less liabilities taken over by Arun Limited 3,000. 38,500 minus 3,000, we will get 35,500. This 35,500 is purchase consideration. So the purchase consideration value is 35,500. Again, go back with the question. Here, what they ask us to calculate the purchase consideration and how the same was discharged. Discharged means the payment, how they are giving the payment. Okay, we can say here discharge or mode of payment of purchase consideration. We can write the question and we can write the heading here, discharge or mode of payment of purchase consideration. We can put two columns, particulars, then amount column. Total purchase consideration value, how much? 35,500, right? This is the purchase price or purchase consideration. Total amount is 35,500. What they told, the The purchase price was to be discharged as to rupees 5,500 in cash and the balance in rupees 10 equity shares at the market value of rupees 15 per share. So the cash from how much? 5,500. So we can write it in the form of cash. In the amount column, we can write 5,500. Then in the form of equity shares, total purchase consideration 35,500 minus cash price 5,500. The balance amount is 30,000. This 30,000 they are going to give in the form of equity shares, right? It was mentioned in the question. So 30,000 divided by 10. Why? Because in the question they have mentioned balance in rupees 10 equity shares at the market value of 15 per share. Because the market value of the share is 15, but they are giving in rupees 10 for each share. Okay, 30,000 divided by 10 is equal to 3,000 equity shares at the rate of rupees 10 each. That is 30,000. Okay, total purchase price is 35,500. They are giving in the form of cash 5,500, in the form of share 30,000. Okay. Thank you all.